guys, today's video I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money from your TikTok. First of all, get logged into your TikTok account, then tap onto your profile. Select this three-bar icon on your top right, then you will see balance button just below TikTok Studio. Select balance, and as you do that, you will see your estimated balance. In my case, I have $0, but you might have more, so go ahead and open it in order for you to withdraw. Now make sure that the amount you are trying to withdraw is, eligible for withdrawable. And you will see a page like this. All you have to do is tap on this withdraw anytime again. And as you do that, you will see withdraw button. As you tap on withdraw at the next page, you will see the option of maybe bank payment methods. It could be PayPal or any of the other options depending upon your region. Make sure that you tap onto it and type in your details of the bank details. And as you do that, go ahead and withdraw the money after you have linked your bank accounts. So guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you for watching.